Representatives of the Italian business community said Friday that the 7th edition of the China International Import Expo will create opportunities for Italian enterprises to enter the Chinese market. Co-organized by the CIIE Bureau and Chinese Chamber of Commerce in Italy, the presentation conference of the 7th edition of CIIE attracted more than 150 representatives of Italian enterprises and Chinese organizations.
I do believe that the project China International Import Expo, it is very important. Having a place, having a platform where people can meet each other, can discuss about business, I think it is needed more than before. I think it's a very big opportunity.
我们是深深感受到他们的那种心情，希望进入中国市场，而且呢是对中国市场非常有期待，所以我们很有信心。通过这次推介会以后，会有更多的意大利企业去参加这个我们中国的国际出口博览会。